Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer Pi to your Binance wallet. Now the first thing you have to do is to open your Pi app and then go to wallet. So click on the wallet button in the center of the screen and then here go to your wallet address and then just copy it. Of course you will have to enter your passphrase to open your wallet, then just copy it. You will have a button to copy your address. And now let's continue the tutorial on the Binance platform. Now once you are on the Binance website and you have logged into your account, go to deposit and then here go to deposit crypto. Now once you have clicked on deposit crypto, select your coin. So in the coin you will have to type Pi, but as you can see here, we don't have Pi in the list of options. Why? Because Pi isn't still on the mainnet, so you'll have to wait a few weeks or months until it is listed on the mainnet. But I will show you how to do the process with another coin, but it's essentially the same process, okay? Let's choose the Bitcoin, for example, or USDT or whatever, it doesn't really matter. Select your network, and then here in the deposit address, you will have to paste your deposit address that you have copied from Pi. And that's it. Now, of course, this tutorial will be for the future, and we just wait for Pi to be listed on the mainnet. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.